from a medical perspective, हम लोग हमेशा ये समझते हैं कि this addiction, is something like an iceberg. And there is a lot below that, that is not seen. ज़्यादातर लोग हमारे पास सर जो आते हैं वो यही कंप्लेन लेके आते हैं कि he is having this addiction of alcohol, drugs, he's not able to quit.
Yeah.
But to everybody's surprise, I would like to say that more than 50% of them have underlying other psychiatric disorders.
Correct.
So that is why the role of a professional in terms of the psychiatrist and a psychologist is very important. Depression, anxiety, personality disorders, OCD, borderline personality disorders, and bipolar disorders.
Right.
They are very commonly associated with addiction, and they, in turn keep supporting each other.
Yes.
ये psychiatric disorder addiction बढ़ाता है, addiction वो उस चीज को बढ़ाता है,
Yes.
and it becomes a loop. So it is very important for us to break that loop or to break that, दोनों का एक दूसरे को support करना, so that independently these things are, they have to be treated at the same time.
Right.
And that is when, the person is ready for recovery.
I would be a depressed person or a person with severe handicaps. I don't know the medical terms of everything, but they are all leading to all these OCDs and all that other things. And in the background, in some instance, they may not have become too pronounced.
Yeah.
But they were all ready to be pronounced also.
Absolutely.
And they were actually assisting in my addiction because, see, if you look at it in an objective manner, they were assisting me to stay addicted to various substances. And I was doing various substances. Whenever something happened, if I'm not feeling good, there's another term. When I'm depressed, I'm not feeling good.
Yeah.
I'm feeling bad.
Yeah.
It's simple. I'm feeling sad and bad.
Yes.
So now all those things, thankfully for me, did not become pronounced, and I was able to, from the 12-step program, resolve most of these issues.